How are tariffs influencing Trump's current administration strategies? The answer reveals surprising shifts in trade, diplomacy, and domestic policies you might not expect. Tariffs have become a cornerstone of Trump's strategy to reshape global trade. By imposing taxes on imports, the administration aims to push countries into better trade deals that favor American industries. This approach seeks to reduce trade deficits and protect jobs. It's a bold, often controversial tactic that changes long-standing global economic relationships and forces partners to reconsider their practices. One of the most visible effects of tariffs is their role in protecting domestic industries like steel, aluminum, and manufacturing. By making imported goods more expensive, tariffs encourage companies and consumers to buy American-made products. This strategy aims to revive industries that had been shrinking and preserve American jobs, though it can also raise costs for consumers and businesses relying on imports. Beyond economics, tariffs have become a diplomatic tool. The administration uses tariffs to extract concessions on issues like intellectual property theft and market access. This tactic can strain alliances, but also forces tough conversations. It redefines how the U.S. exerts influence, showing that economic measures can be as powerful as traditional diplomacy in achieving strategic goals. Tariffs are more than just taxes on imports. They are a strategic weapon shaping trade, industry, and diplomacy under Trump's administration. This complex approach reveals how economic tools can drive political agendas and global power plays. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay curious about the forces shaping your world.